Welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we are going to discuss about the off-campus recruitment process from Tech Mahindra's end. So Tech Mahindra has come up with the off-campus drive this year. So we will be discussing the entire process, how to apply, and what are the very important points before filling up the application form. Who all can apply? I mean, which year pass outs can apply on this particular drive? And yes, both freshers and experience can apply here. So let's move on to the on their website and check out what are the things and what how to apply for the form, and we'll discuss the complete details. So let's start. Before that, guys, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon with the red color button. So let's move on with the video. Guys, we are on the official website of Tech Mahindra now. So let's discuss each and every point one by one. It is very important before filling up the application form. You should be clear with each and every point so that you don't end up making mistakes on your form, and then finally your application will obviously get rejected. So let's start. So basically we'll start with the your college or the degree. The college should be recognized and approved by UGC. You can just check out here on the very first point, or AICTE approved colleges will be only you will be eligible to apply for. Then the next point is, guys, the courses which you will be you are already enrolled in, and you have done your graduation or post graduation from this is engineering stream eligible, are eligible. The subjects will be computer science, computer engineering, IT, ENC, ENTC, telecom, communications, and your electronics or MCA. Apart from this, for example, zoology or any such chemistry or something, such subjects you are you have done your graduations from, you won't be eligible for. So this has to be very clear. Then if I come to the next point, which is the minimum score percentage should be at least 60%. Now 60% means, guys, 60%, not even 59.99 they will be taking, they will be considering. So Tech Mahindra is very particular. Not only Tech Mahindra, the other MNCs or such big companies are very particular about the minimum score pass percentages. So even if you are like 59 point something, then also you won't be eligible for. Also, it's very clear and to the point is that you have to mention on the form, when you'll be filling up the form. I'll just show you after some time that when you'll fulfill the percentage, you have to fill up to 2 decimals. So for example, 60 point maybe 20 or 25, just an example, right? So you have to fill up to 2 decimals. So this is what even if you're like done a diploma after 10th or 12th, then also the for every thing, you have to be like 60%, you have to at least be eligible to apply for. Then if I come to the who all are candidates pass out and which year are eligible for. So 2020 pass outs, 2021 pass outs are eligible for this program, and prior to 2020 is not eligible. So for example, if anyone has passed out in 2019, so that person would be eligible to apply, or before that. Okay, so before 2020 you are not eligible for that. Next point is very important, that some universities or colleges give you CGPAs. So you should not, you don't have to write CGPAs on their application. No, that your application will 110% be rejected. You have to convert your CGPA to percentages. So for every university there are certain guidelines to convert your CGPAs to percentages. So you have to be very clear, very careful while converting your percentages, and you have to mention percentage only. So you can check on your mark sheet. I think on every mark sheet it is mentioned to convert your CGPAs, plus you can just google it and you can check out how to convert that. Then again, like I said, that enter the percentage up to 2 decimals, fine. And if you mention wrong ratings, or found when they found there is a discrepancy later on, they will reject you. Fine. So they are very strict and particular about these things. So you have to be very clear. Then Next point is, guys, after filling up the registration form, this form, they will be sharing and sending you an email with the registration ID and pin. Fine. So you have to keep it for the future references, because after that, if your this form gets shortlisted, you will be sent an email with the link for the online test. Fine. A virtual test. So for that test, you should have a registration and ID password. Fine. So this is what next step is. And yes, also after the selection and so after the shortlisting of your this form, they will be contacting you over the email for the online test within 1 to 2 weeks. So you have to be a bit patient, that within 1 to 2 weeks, they haven't mentioned a certain time period, but yes, within 1 to 2 weeks you will be getting the email. In case you don't get any email within 1 to 2 weeks, that means your application wasn't selected or shortlisted. Fine. Just in case you are employed with any other companies or something like, or you have experiences, so you should have cleared, or you should have NOC to apply for Tech Mahindra. Fine. This is just a normal thing. And then yes, any kind of doubt you have for the future or something before filling up your application, just do cross check and read the entire advertisement before applying, because just one mistake and you can't go ahead then. Apart from this, the next point is, guys, that Tech Mahindra says that if you have already applied in Tech Mahindra within 6 months, you won't be eligible for this particular drive. Fine. So you should have a gap of minimum 6 months. 6 months should be completed. Completed means it should be completed, because less than 6 months won't be eligible for to apply for a new registration, this drive which we are talking about. Fine. And then last point is, guys, very important, that whether it's your contact details, academic details, or your email ID or name, anything, guys, any information, you have to fill it very correctly. You go through it twice, thrice, but yes, that has to be very correct, because once they are submitted and you can't make any changes. Fine. After clearing your online test, they will be calling you for the further next evaluation. That can be your interview round. Fine. Or interview round, basically, that they'll be letting you know at that point in time. Fine. So I think this is the entire thing. And yes, last point is, guys, yes, it is mentioned that Tech Mahindra don't charge you any sort of money or charges to apply for any sort of drive or recruitment processes. Just in case you get a call from any XYZ person or saying that they'll charge you for the recruitment process, don't please end up paying money to them, because that is totally scam or fraud. So you have to be very careful for that. Fine. So you just need to, for the steps, you just need to click I agree and some instructions, then continue. Now you need to fill the entire form. This is the entire form, and then finally register. Now this website is a bit slow, I think. So you have to be very sometimes it shows error, sometimes I think, but yes, you have to fill the form and then register. So this, because lot of us people are filling up the form at the same time, so that the website might get slow, which is normal. So like personal details, let's see, Mr. Miss, and then you have to fill the entire name and surname, everything, and then your university enrollment number, which you will be having on your degree, and then your date of birth, marital status, your gender and everything. And email ID has to be very clear. Don't miss out commas or full stop. Be very careful. Alternate number and everything. Give an alternate number, because sometimes what happens, your phone is not reachable, is out of service, whatever. So alternate number does help. Apart from this, this qualification details. Now, for post graduation, you have to fill this. Then engineering graduation, science graduation, or diploma, you have to fill respectively. And like last is class 10th and 12th. You have, this form is very basic, I think. We are like graduates and we can't make any mistakes in this, so be careful while filling up the form. This is what I can suggest you, give you a tip. So it is also mentioned that 2021 pass outs, yes, who will be appearing for their final exams, so you can mention the last semester percentage. It is mentioned also. You just go through this. It's mentioned 2021 pass outs. aggregate percentage till last semester. Aggregate, okay, the overall percentage is till last semester. You have to mention CGPAs has to be converted to percentages. It is mentioned on the red. Fine. So I hope you understood the entire form filling and the instructions very carefully. If you have any kind of doubts, do let me know on the comment section. Right. So finally, guys, you all have seen that how to apply for this off-campus recruitment in Tech Mahindra, and what are the very important tips. I have covered the each and every point, but just in case I have missed any point, do let me know in the comment section. Yes, salary packages. If you say ki what is the salary package, so it's approximately 3 to 3.5 lakhs, depending upon your skills and everything. So I have the approximate range is this only. And yes, do share with your friends, because they also get to know that this type of drive has come up this year from Tech Mahindra's end. And yes, I hope that you make it. The people who are eligible, just to apply for it. And yes, apply as soon as possible, because there is not mentioned that the deadline is this, but yes, you should apply as soon as possible. And thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe the channel. यहाँ पे red color का button है, please hit that and press the bell icon, so that every time I come up with these kind of videos, you come to know about it. So thank you so much. I'll meet in another video. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.